This is the Paradise Tower at the Tropicana. Here, Otis. This one. Let's see. And we could go up. It smells funky in here. All right, here we go.
Second floor. Going down.
Looks like these are Westies. Here's a look into a guest floor. Electrical room. Nice motors. Let's see which one we'll get. I gotta use the bathroom. Is there one up here actually? I don't think so. That's probably where the service elevators are. Nope, it's this one. Classic. No classic leveling. Oakville. Okay, that was my stomach. Anyways, cat view. Definitely has some kind of tropical vibe going for it. Here are your Otis buttons. We're stopping at 10. We're stopping at 9. That sounds great. There you go. Yeah, these look like they were Westies. You're welcome. Yeah, I guess these are Westie modded by Otis. Anyways, that's it.